Well, Google has done it again. They have released a new software that can allow you to create small AI apps with only a few sentences. Today, I will be going over this software, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. This is Jay Techie. This software is called Opal, OPAL, and it's a brand new experimental software that Google has created, and you can be able to access it at opal.withgoogle.com. And so, as you can see here, I am on their main web page. You must log into your Google account to be able to see this. And it says build, edit, and share many AI apps using natural language. And then you have where you can create your own Opal app, and you can go ahead and choose from many different example apps here. And today I'm going to be going over one of their example apps, and we're going to go ahead and test that out and kind of look at how it works. So today I'm going to go ahead and try out the product research app they have here. It says get a personalized report for the product you want to research. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. All right. And if you're familiar with things like N8N, where you create workflows to help create the app, it has that kind of format here as well, where they have these different nodes that will go step by step in order to execute the action. So they are combining workflows with AI here to achieve the application. So, all right, so they have like a add preferences, enter product, conduct product research part where it will search the web and things, and then it synthesize report. Looks like these this node here creates the report and then display this report as an interactive something and synthesize the report, which will be the final step. And so, all right, let's see how all of this works. And again, you can click into these and you can customize them yourself as well. So if you wanted to change the application, and also remember, you can always make your own custom Opal app. You just have to learn how to navigate the workflows, and if you have worked with this already, it shouldn't be that much of a difficulty to learn. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this preview here. This is the preview user interface of the app, and it says product research, get personalized report for the product you want to research. I'm going to go ahead and hit start. It says enter product or service you want to research. I want to research laptop computers. And then I'll go ahead and hit this to continue. And then it says add your preferences or constraints. Preferably high end, powerful laptops. All right. So I'm gonna say that. So preferably high end and powerful laptops. And now it's doing its thinking and conducting the product research. And let's see what it will come up with. And while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and be right back once it's finished. I just wanted to come back really quick to show you that, see this animation here with the arrow flashing? It shows you what step it is actually on, and I wanted to show you guys that really quick. So it completed, so it came from the preferences to the synthesizing report, and it looks like it's thinking all right, and actually came with the report here. And so let's see, high-end powerful laptop buyer report. This report focuses on high-end powerful laptop computers, reflecting the latest advancements and anticipated releases for 2024 to 2025. And it says for gaming, professional content, engineering, simulations, things like that. Let's see what else they have. Processor, CPU, graphics CPU, display. Then they have the core computing power, often featuring Intel Core Ultra, AMD Zen 5, things like that. Ideal user, the primary user demographic or professional field for which the laptop is best suited based on its design and performance. Top high-end powerful laptop recommendations, and we have the Razer Blade 16, we have the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10, and so it does indeed list the top laptops for game enthusiasts here. And so yeah, it quickly compiles the information with the specifications of the laptop, which makes this a very convenient research project instead of like me having to go from site to site comparing each one of these computers together, when it has this information compiled here in one spot. And then it says for content creation or workstation professionals, and it has nuanced laptops, different categories of laptops for these different things, such as content creation and gaming. If you want to content create, then it recommends the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch for a powerful computer, along with several other choices here. And then it also has the premium ultra portables and business laptops. So ultra portables, probably lightweight laptops that you can carry around without hurting your shoulder, things like that. Considerations for your purpose, and then it kind of gives this little snippet here. Be prepared for costs ranging from $2,000 to well over $4,000. So it's kind of preparing you for what to expect for those different kinds of laptops. And all right, that's actually the extent of this sample application. And so you can see kind of, the beginning capabilities of what can be done with this application. And so let me go ahead and start an application here, just kind of quickly show you how that would work. And also, I wanted to mention that it does have the workflows step by step that you can build, but also you can type in the application you want with words, such as YouTube Shorts video creator based on a given topic. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and enter this in and see how it goes, just so you guys can kind of see how that works. So I entered YouTube Shorts video creator based on a given topic, and I'm gonna go ahead and enter that in and see what it does. And for this example, it's pretty much just for an example, and I'm not sure exactly how it will work out, but we will see how you know you know how this works. So, untitled app. I'm gonna see if it will let me change this. So let me click over here to change this to YouTube Shorts Creator. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and change it to that. And it went ahead and made me some nodes over here and things where it says generate script, generate video, and what is this over here? Is generate a video description and then generate video. And let's see what it will do and how it will do this. And also, when just real quick for the controls, I can hold down the middle mouse wheel to navigate like this, and or drag as well to navigate through that interface right there. But let's go ahead and produce this or go ahead and test this and see what it does. I'm going to say start. And this says enter the topic for your video. And I'm going to say generative. I'm going to say latest generative AI news. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and put that in. And now it's generating a video description. And now it says it's generating a video. And so let me see here. So it's actually on this step right now. And I'm not sure how long it will take to create the video. So I'm going to go ahead and pause and be right back. Alright, I'm back. And it went ahead and produced this clip. Let me go ahead and test it. Alright, well, I would have to say that it's not advanced enough to successfully make a YouTube's Shorts video yet, but I mean, it's good at making like maybe a little video clip it for an ad, like maybe some kind of Facebook ad or Google ad or something like that, where it catches the eye much like an image would. But I mean, I don't think it really did what I wanted it to do right here, but I wanted to also show you guys the process of how you would work this app. But I mean, you guys go ahead and try it for yourself. You could probably get it to do some interesting things, and you can test the limit of its capabilities, and I'm sure you'll be able to find something useful out of this. application. But this concludes my demo of this. It's Opal with google.com. Go ahead and try it for yourself. And thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and until next time, peace.